continue exploring Dubai, and today we're gonna see the most beautiful man-made lakes I ever seen, Qudra Lakes. Qudra Lakes located within a beautiful natural desert reserve that contains so many wild animals like goats. I even saw camels on the way to lake and a lot of birds. We even saw a family of black swans, which we will show you later. It was built to promote ecotourism in Dubai, and I think it is ideal place for wildlife watchers and those seeking to reconnect with nature. Some people are coming here for the whole day or even two. We saw many camps right before the lake. The most interesting lake in this area is a love lake. It's two joint heart-shaped lagoons. Unfortunately, you can see its real beauty only from the top. And be aware that it's not allowed to use drones in this area. And there are garbage bins everywhere, despite the fact that we are in the middle of the desert actually. You see this poor car stuck in a sand, so we're gonna help them. I remember once in Oman we had a similar problem, and the Omani people were so nice. They just ran to us to offer their help. Do you see all these pipes? They're providing water to each of these trees. Wonderful place for a barbecue.
Yeah, you can set up your camp here like somebody barbecued some time ago, not just very long. This is a barbecue zone.
Just use proper barbecue equipment. Using drones is not allowed. And this is a sect because Love Lake you can see only from the top.
Yeah.
Bonfire not allowed, bird feeding not allowed, no noise and no cutting plants. And you're welcome to visit this wonderful place. And we are going to some Insta place for pictures. very lovely place for a barbecue. And I would call it more like bird lake. And total desert from right side and bunch of lakes from left.
This is a duck. A duck and a duck.
Oh, very fat ducks. One, two, third I don't see.
1, 2, 3.
Where is the third?
To the right. 2 here, third here. There are actually 4.
Ah, yeah, I see. It's more far. Wow, it's really giant. And a bunch of small. So, how are you enjoying our trip?
So far, very fun. It's a lot of fun.
What you've been expecting?
I thought it was a one big giant lake with not very much around it, but it's like a set of many small lakes with a lot of driveways. You can do barbecues, you can even park your car, and I saw people camping, so you can do that apparently. So it sounds like a pretty cool place, fun place to be. A lot of ducks.
Yeah, this is a duck island.
You can hear little ducky noises.
There are no cafes right next to lake, but only a few minutes drive you will find the last exit. This is a food truck park serving different varieties of food. For sure you will find something to your liking. Bird viewing platform.
And you can see a 360-degree view of the entire area. This is a flamingo lake. You have flamingos and swans over here. There is a family of black swans right over there. And it's got an incredible variety of birds. We saw a lot of storks. And there is actually an index card that shows you what kind of birds can be found here.
So, who we can find in this lake?
So we got red wattled lapwing, back-winged stilt, and grey heron over here. Yep.
And much more varieties.
Yeah, there are many species over here. Not just these 3. Lots of birds. And this is an incredible place. It's all man-made. This was nothing but a desert. But with human persistence, effort, and money, they've created this amazing oasis in there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and make sure you watch our channel again for more travel videos.